Hi, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. So first of all, let's talk about content. I'm right now looking at your homepage, and it's actually very easy to navigate with links to your social media accounts, your click to call button. And at the moment, in terms of the amount of content, this website has 1,000 words. Let's have a look at what your competitors are doing. So Forever Lawn, they are ranking at the top of the organic search and they have 718 words. And Gator Turf, they have 1,000 words, 1,094 words. So Google likes to see content. So you need to surpass them. And in that case, because Gator Turf has 1,000 words, you are looking at perhaps throwing in here 1,500 words so that that Google starts optimizing you and starts ranking you at the top. But not just content or just words. You need to actually identify those relevant keywords, and we will talk a little bit more in detail a little bit later. I type in here artificial turf Tampa, which is a keyword, and it's nothing else than what people are actually typing when they are searching to buy this type of service and products. The first section, and is how I came across your company, is the Google Ads. The Google Ads are driving good traffic. The flip side is that a lot of people just turn them off and a lot of people just skip them. And they came in here into the GMB, and the GMB, a lot of people are actually clicking on those companies being ranked at the top. So that's 40% of the traffic. The GMB is driving 40% of the traffic to these companies listed here. So that's a huge impact to these companies. To be ranked at the top, you need more user reviews, you need more pictures, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, showing the name, the business name, the business address, and the phone number, and they have to be exactly the same as your Google business profile, so that Google can verify you and can give you points for that, and start ranking you at the top of the GMB. So that's so you would need more than 32 reviews. You would need more pictures and more citations to be ranked here. The third section is the Google organic search, and here is where we find Forever Lawn and turf installation in Tampa in first and second position. To analyze the backend of these rankings, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is showing us the number of backlinks that your website has. So this is just like RAS or EasyTurf, and the number of keywords that you are being ranked for. So in terms of backlinks, a backlink is a link that is embedded within another website that is directing traffic to yours. And you want those backlinks to be powerful. So you want those backlinks to be sitting on websites that are regarded as authority, so that Google can actually give you credit for that and can start ranking you up higher in the organic search. When we look at Tampa Forever Lawn, because this is a nationwide company, although here is showing 5, we have to look at what sort of those 5 backlinks are. They're probably very powerful, but perhaps it could be that some of that power is being passed by the parent domain. So, and then we have here Gator Turf, and Gator Turf, they have 120 backlinks with 21 referring domains. So they have more, but they are being ranked second. So that's something that needs to be looked at in terms of which are the backlinks that are more powerful, because you have even more than those two. Now let's have a look at the organic keywords. So in here you have, this tool shows me the keywords, so what people are searching for. It is showing me the volume, the search volume, and it's showing me in here in which position you are appearing for these particular searches. So if you can see here, artificial turf Tampa is the main keyword, and you were in the 11th position and you are now in the 12th position, which means that you are probably on the second page of Google and people are not actually seeing you, because people barely goes to page 2 or 3 of the Google search. So that's something to bear in mind. But the key here is that you target keywords that are actually going to be able to, so for example, artificial grass Tampa, artificial turf Tampa, that are being able to drive traffic, buyer intent keywords that are going to drive traffic to your website. Let's have a look at Forever Lawn. they have, in terms of organic keywords, they have 20 keywords, and they are targeting artificial turf Tampa. Well, they have artificial grass Tampa, forever, no, this one is there, synthetic turf Tampa, artificial grass Tampa, and they are targeting sod and turf Tampa. So these are just few examples of keywords that they are targeting that are responsible for the amount of traffic that they are able to drive to their website. And the key here, or the message, is the more keywords that you are able to identify, it means that you're going to be in front of more users searching for those keywords. And it means that a percentage of those users are going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website, and then a percentage of those users are going to reach out, and some of those you will be able to close and convert into customers. So more traffic means more sales and more revenue. And that's what I wanted to share with you. If you like what you saw on this video, just please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. My details are at the bottom. If not, you can just use this on your own and implement it. I just want in return a little bit of feedback on this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.